Leah's World here, and today we're going to be doing slime and putty. Top 10 things about slime and putty. So let's get started, because Leah, last time...
Didn't you buy this at Target?
Yes.
It's called Bat Putty.
And this is called Leah's slime because I made it and I named it.
There's like a little bat in it.
Okay, so this is most... Take the bat out, because we don't need it. So this is most things that people do. They do stretch it, and then they like to swirl it like this. Go ahead, do it with me, Addie. So it would look like that.
She's not really good at swirls, but
I know, it's just hard to do.
swirls.
And look, it's like, it's folding up on mine, so I have to
It's
redo
kind
this.
of hard to do it with
Putty.
putty. Sorry, my hair's like a mess.
I know. She did a messy one. So this is what people do.
Yeah, they poke it.
They poke it when they poke it when they make their...
Wait. Is that good, Leah?
Yeah, it's perfect. They like poke it when they like do this. So, okay, next thing. Next is they like to like do this.
Sorry.
They like to like flatten it. I think. No.
Why is the door open?
I don't know.
And did you clean up the thing? Yes. Go close that door because Sadie will push her way on the screen.
We're gonna have to pause you guys real quick. So this is the second thing what people like to do. So like to flatten it. Like to do this.
This is a clear putty.
Yeah. No, it's like clear slime.
Yeah, it's like a clear slime.
It's clear slime. Mine is a little bit clear because I use clear glue and then I add food dye. They like to do bubbles if I can. So we're gonna try to do that. So Addie, nose mine. So I take a little. You take the other half.
Here, let me put this.
Okay, hold on. Let's move it over the counter. 1, 2, 3. Dang it! This is so close.
It was so close. Yeah,
I wish we had a 3-person, but we don't. She's my cousin.
I edit it and stuff.
Yeah, she likes to edit with me, but I don't know how to edit.
But I do.
I'm just a young YouTuber learning, guys. Don't judge me.
I'll teach you how to edit.
Yeah. So take the other half. Let's try this. 3rd time's always a lucky charm. This is 2nd. Oh, hurry up.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
We did it, guys. We did it.
Dang it, it's going down. It's going down.
Deflated a little bit.
We're doing 3rd time is always a lucky charm.
But the 2nd time was kind of lucky. Yes. So let me put that to the side.
This was awesome what we just did. Take the other half. Make it really big. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Dang it. Okay, maybe 4th time.
Maybe.
Let's do this. We're gonna keep on doing this until we get a good bubble. This is now turning into bubble slime. 1.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Dang it.
Well, let's try it with this putty.
Yeah.
Wait, let me flatten it.
I think putty's gonna work more. Maybe. Can I roll it? That's my video.
Alright.
Okay, let's try this.
Take that out.
Oh, no, it's not gonna work.
Not gonna work. Here, let me put the putty away so it doesn't like dry out. And we'll try with this
and let's keep on continuing my like slime.
one.
Wait, doctor, I think I need a tissue. Wait, somebody had this real booger that was this big in their nose.
Yeah, I don't want to hear that.
You ready? It's on rare combinations. Okay. Oh.
Wait.
No, that's good. It's gonna rip.
3,
2,
1.
Oh, that would have been so good. Hold on, we need to move this up a little bit. Okay. Okay, we need to move this up. Like right there. Okay, now you guys can come back.
Wait, this is like really softer. It was like kind of hard a little bit.
Let's do this. Oh.
Here.
I'm gonna do this. Ready?
Wait. I'm gonna move this like right here so they can see what we're doing.
Hurry up. This is getting sticky. 2, 1. Oh.
We were trying to make bubbles. Wait, I know how to make it.
Hold on. Sounds so weird.
Oh yeah. Just gotta flatten it.
Hold on. I don't think they could hear that good.
It's just because the material.
Oh.
It's just because the material on the platform.
Come on. We're just gonna do this now.
She also has a different kind of slime in her car, but it's like a jiggly slime.
Yeah.
And
So
it doesn't
take
really
your
stretch.
half. Take your half. I got my half.
1 second.
This is real slime, guys.
Definitely not slime.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Oh.
Wait, Leah, you have to put it down here so they can see what we're doing.
I know, but it's gonna keep on falling. Hold on. It's not gonna see.
Wait.
That'd be good. Ready? Guys?
Sage.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Oh, don't. That almost made a bubble, guys. No, hold on. I want to roll it up to make sure they could hear this. Ready?
Wait, now pop all the bubbles. Sorry, the lighting is like a little
too
because
bright.
of the sun.
We're in our kitchen right now. Sorry if you guys think our kitchen is too. I don't know if you guys can see the spot.
Wait, I'm gonna do a bubble.
Okay, we're gonna do a bubble gun. Can you set this up? Yes. So we have like a set like that's holding you up, but you guys cannot see this.
She just whispered that we have to make sure that it doesn't go out the door.
Yes. And we in some past days when I get older, we might. Tyler's here.
I need to hide.
Wait, what? What? No.
Wait, did you pause it? Not paused.
Oh, yeah.
Well, they're cleaning up. You're gonna. Well, there's Tyler.
Tyler, we really need to.
No. Well, bye.